Hello, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are well. Welcome back to this channel about job. So in this video, we will discuss job openings from Bahrain. This is the urgent requirements from Bahrain from a reputed shipyard company. Shortlisting in progress, and the date will be from 3rd December to 7th December. So apply as soon as possible. First of all, you need to know this is urgent vacancies from Bahrain, and the positions are available: senior welding engineer. So guys, if you are belongs to the welding professionals, then you can apply as soon as possible as a senior welding engineer. Minimum qualifications and experience requirements: bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering, minimum 12 years of experience requirement, certified welding engineer, certified welding inspector qualifications, NDT level 1, 2 and 3 certifications. So there are some basic requirements as per mentioned right here is mandatory to apply for these positions. So guys, if you have the same professional experience and qualifications, then you can apply as soon as possible by sending your CV to the given official email ID. As you can see here, there are 4 locations available. So which city is nearer to you, you can apply in that official email ID. So Mumbai, Chennai, and Madurai and Kochi. There are 4 locations, and office address is also in front of you. So as per location, you can apply by sending your CV to the given official email ID. And I would like to suggest you, if you want to apply, then don't be waste your time. Apply right now and try to contact by this WhatsApp number and try to attend the walk-in interview or online interview. Both are available here, as you can see here. So limited time have to apply, so don't be waste your time. And I would like to suggest you share this information to the candidates have a dream to move to Kolkata to the job in the same professionals. So lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. And of course, in the next video, I will try to provide you the latest job informations. Till then, subscribe this channel, gets update regarding abroad job. Best of luck. Goodbye.